Welcome to EV Diaries of MB Singh, where every journey is electric. Join me on this electric journey. Let's begin. Every journey begins with a destination, but the real story lies in the experiences along the way. Let's discover them. Together, we'll explore India's most beautiful roads, discover hidden destinations, and learn what electric vehicles are truly capable of. From long distance road trips and hypermiling challenges to ambitious expeditions and future record attempts, every journey is an opportunity to inspire. We'll also review useful EV accessories, test the latest gadgets, and even build and make your EV journeys even better. We'll also host live sessions where we can discuss your questions, solve real EV problems together, and share experiences as a growing community of electric vehicle enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support inspires me to bring you more real-world EV adventures. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Your support and encouragement truly mean a lot to me. This is MB Singh signing off. Until our next adventure, drive safe, drive electric, and keep exploring.